Mabuhay, this is Alexi from Davao City. At this moment, I'm gonna tackle those newly hired employees, especially employees who are receiving minimum wage earner here in Davao City, which is 443 per day. So when you multiplied into 26 days a month, it will be come out 11,800 or almost 12,000. So, there will be a deductions of ECC's PhilHealth in Pag-ibig. So, maybe the total deductions amount almost 800 pesos or 800 rather. So, you will receive, the employees will receive their net salaries 11,000 or 10,900. So, for those employees, especially the minimum wage earners, you should know how to save your money. You should know how to budget para dili mo lisod. Kasi mostly sa mga empleyado karon, magkalisod sila just because after receiving salaries, they go to shopping mall, shopping here, shopping there. So avoid on that. You should priority your basic needs, light bill, water bill, rice, food, para dili mo magkalisod, dili mo avoid sa mga utang. Please, ayaw sa i-priority ang utang, basic needs. I hope that everyone have learned from my advice. Thank you for listening and watching with me, and continue to please subscribe my YouTube channel and my Facebook Reels. This is Alexi from Davao.